Your safety and the safety of our membership when using any of the Kansas City Woodworkers Guild's hand or power tools is the #1 concern of your safety committee and the board of directors of our guild. Hi, my name is Christine Kessler, and welcome to another of the Kansas City Woodworkers Guild's ongoing series of machine safety videos. Our discussion today will cover your introduction to the safety rules and requirements of the Guild's various drill presses and how to safely operate these machines. Keep in mind that this video only covers the safety concerns of these machines and is not a complete training program for the use of the drill press. The drill press is used to drill holes precisely and with repeatable accuracy. It has a motor-driven head with a chuck that accepts bits or cutters. It also has an adjustable table where you mount your work. You operate it by pulling a rotary lever that lowers the drill bit into your material. When in the shop, please direct any questions about using the drill press or any other guild equipment to the on-duty shop foreman. He or she is there to act as your main resource to keep you safe, provide advice, and assist you to successfully complete your project. And please remember, while in the Kansas City Woodworkers Guild shop, you must wear OSHA-approved safety glasses with side shields at all times. Your regular glasses are not approved for use in any shop activity while you are at the guild. It is doubtful that the noise level created by operating a drill press would necessitate hearing protection, but if you feel more comfortable wearing earplugs or ear muffs, by all means, do so. However, there is one caution on hearing protection. Guild rules stipulate that any hearing protection worn by members must not have the ability to receive any type of broadcast media. Failure to follow this requirement may result in losing your shop privileges. Before starting, make sure the size of the bit is within the capacity of the drill press. Do not exceed the recommended drilling speed. Use the charts posted near the drill press to determine the recommended speed setting for the type and size of drill bit you are using and the material you are drilling into. Speeds are set by changing the belt location on the pulleys in the top of the drill press or by dialing in the required speed setting on our digital direct drive drill presses. Always unplug a drill press before manually adjusting components. See the on-duty foreman if you need help making those adjustments. When installing the drill bit, please make sure that the bit is in the center of and inserted all the way into the chuck. Use the chuck key to firmly tighten the chuck so the fingers of the chuck are tight enough on the bit to prevent it from slipping. The chuck key is stored on the side of the drill press that it belongs to. It is worth noting that each drill press may use a different size chuck, so you should not move them from one drill press to another. Be sure to remove the key from the chuck and return it to its storage location after adjusting the chuck and before you start the drill press. A chuck key will become a projectile if left in the chuck and can cause an injury to you or someone else. When drilling through holes, support the underside of your stock with a backer board secured to the drill press table. This will prevent damage to the metal table and will also help to prevent tear out as the drill bit exits the bottom of your project stock piece. You must always use a clamp or vise to securely fasten the stock to the drill press table. Never hold stock in your hand while drilling. You would be the responsible party if the drill press spins the stock out of your grip, launches it across the shop, and possibly harming you or someone else. When drilling into a cylindrical stock, hold the workpiece in a V-block clamped to the table. It is important that you are not wearing any jewelry or loose clothing. If you have long hair, tie it back so there is no possibility of it contacting any moving part of the machine. Remember that the 3-inch rule applies. Keep your fingers away at least 3 inches on all sides of the drill bit. When drilling into a long workpiece, take extra caution to position the excess stock to your left, so if the stock rotates, it will hit the fence or the post, not you. Feed the bit smoothly into the work. If the hole being drilled is deep, withdraw the bit frequently to remove waste from the hole and shavings from the bit. This will help to dissipate the heat generated by normal drill press operation. Drilling can and does create massive amounts of waste on the drill press table and the floor around the drill press. Be aware of this and frequently clean up your work area. If the drill bit binds, turn off the drill press and carefully turn the chuck backwards by hand to free the drill bit. Never reach around and under a rotating drill bit. Don't try to stop the rotation of the drill chuck, spindle, or stock rotating on a bit with your hands or fingers. When adjusting the chuck, stock, or before leaving the drill press for any reason, the power must be shut off and the machine must have come to a complete stop. When finished, turn off the drill press and wait for the bit to come to a complete stop. Remove the bit and return it to its proper place. If a dust collector is attached, turn it off and take a moment to clean up the drill press and the floor around where you have been working. Remember, it is your responsibility to clean up after yourself. This is a safety issue as well as a courtesy. And feel free to help other members clean up too. It's a great way to make friends at the Guild. And please remember, as a Kansas City Woodworkers Guild member, you are required to know and observe the Guild's safety rules outlined in the Kansas City Woodworkers Guild Safety Rules booklet. If you fail to follow these rules, you may lose shop privileges and will be held responsible for any injuries or broken Guild property that result from your neglect. For the Kansas City Woodworkers Guild, this is Christine Kessler. Always work safe, and thanks for watching.